Today we're going to be showing you how to use the Cut Buddy exfoliating shaving cream. An exfoliating shaving cream system, it comes with a 6-ounce tube of shaving cream that has tea tree, jojoba, and eucalyptus. It's going to give you that nice cool feeling so that you don't get irritated. It also has willow bark in it, which is a natural exfoliator. It comes with our patented exfoliating attachment, and all you need to do is actually screw it onto the tube, squeeze it, and the shaving cream will come through, and you can actually just exfoliate your head. Exfoliated is important to improve the health of your head. Why? Because if you try and shave your head without exfoliating, you might be plowing dead skin and grime and dirt into the pores of your head, and then you're going to irritate those pores, and then when your hair tries to grow back, it's going to get caught in this bump of irritation. And that's how you get an ingrown hair that's growing under that irritation. We want to avoid that. So you exfoliate any dirt and grime and dead skin, dry skin off of your head before you shave. And our shaving cream does just that. So let me show you. When you unscrew the shaving cream, you're going to have to take off this little tab here. All right. And you have two choices with our shaving cream. You could either use it traditionally, where you open up the cap and then you get your shaving cream, and then you apply it to your head. Or you have another choice, which is you could unscrew the top and then you can screw on the exfoliating head. All right. See, now you have one unit and you have a free hand. When you squeeze this, it's going to put shaving cream through. All right. Oops. So you can use this to exfoliate your head. All right. And when you want more shaving cream, you just press the button. You press the tube and then you exfoliate your head. You're going to want to work it in. Keep squeezing the bottle, squeeze the bottle. You want to work it in. So right now, I am cleaning off any dead skin, but I'm also applying the shaving cream, which works as a cleaner, and it's soothing me because it's a cooling shaving cream, but it's also conditioning my hair as well. So when it conditions the hair, it softens the hair follicles and it allows it to be a smoother and easier shave. So less tugging, less irritation when your shaver passes over your head. All right, so that is the exfoliating shaving cream. If you choose to just squirt the shaving cream out of the bottle like this into your hand, then just make sure you take the exfoliating head and hold it like so, and just make sure you rub all of your head with the handle. All right, you want to get a thorough feel. It might feel a little, it might hurt a little bit as you're doing this, but that hurt is necessary for you to scrape off any dead skin cells or any dirt or grime that's on your head. Because if you do not clear that, then it's going to hurt a lot more when you have ingrown hairs or razor burn or irritation. All right. So you could head to our website and get our exfoliating shaving cream. They all come with the silicone head that exfoliates your head.